Assalamu alaikum. In the name of Allah, we will start. What is a variable? Variable is very important in programming world as we will use it so much. So, what is the meaning of variable? We can define it as a place where we can store anything into it, like a cup of water, where we can put water into it, as the variable is the outer place for water. Variable, as we see, is same as a cup of water, as we say before. From its name, the variable changes, and it can be water inside it, or juice, or anything that we want. As we see, water inside the cup is called value, and the cup, the outer place, is variable. For example, y equal 5. Y is the variable, is the cup. 5 is the value that we can change it inside the variable or inside the cup, as we say, the water. As we see on the screen, the cup is the variable, and what inside the cup is the value that it changes. Y equal 5. Y is the variable, is the outer place, the cup, and what inside the cup is the value, is 5. Don't forget to press like button, share the video, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.